guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the FIIDO D11 bike, which I recently got for review from geekbuying.com. As you guys know, if you have watched the previous videos, I'm a huge fan of e-bikes, and this is why I had my first e-bike in 2018 around August. The first one was D1, then I had D2, then D3, then D2S, and now I have the D11. And the biggest upgrade, and the one that I really loved, was that this bike is one of the first ones which has a range of 100 kilometers on the assist mode. And if you're going completely electric mode, that is like you're not paddling at all, then like it is still going to give you a very good range of anywhere from 30 to 50 kilometers depending on the terrain, what kind of road it is, and the weight, of course. So this is going to be the unboxing video, and then afterwards I'm going to take you around the island, show some really cool spots, and show how the bike works in those kind of scenarios. If you have watched my previous vlogs, when I used to vlog, I think that those times were also different. I used to go to work and back mostly on my e-bike, and you would also like see a lot of those kind of shots in the previous vlogs. I am going to link a few of them down below. I think the first impressions already is that like it's very heavy duty, like compared to all of the previous bikes. This like seat alone feels super heavy, because it has battery inside. Then we have these parts. I think this is for, I don't know, checking if it's like working or not, or maybe turning on. Most probably it's for like the battery, how much battery it has. And this is the part where like you can charge, so that means you can like take the battery and you can charge it at home. I thought putting the pedal inside would be difficult, but it actually isn't. So it's super simple. They give you this wrench and you can just use it to make the pedal tight. We are going to take a ride on this in the next video, but in this one I'm going to like take the seat out and already put it on charge. So taking the seat out is also super simple. You take the cable out at the back and then I make this loose and then I take it out. So it's what, 11.6 ampere hours battery, which is definitely massive for bikes. The previous one I've had so far is like 7 ampere hours, 5 ampere hours and so on, but this is definitely very nice. Now compared to the previous bikes, this bike really has a very nice build quality, and that's why I think like this would be my favorite bike so far. The concept of just like taking the seat out and charging it separately is also super interesting. Really love that it has such big tires. All of the other ones had like maybe half the size of it. Not half, but like definitely very small. Then you have just a seat that you can take away, and here maybe you can close, and then let's see if it has any power. Nope, it doesn't. So first you turn it on here. You have to attach this cable to the battery in order for it to run, and yeah, when you are then charging it, you can just quickly take it off and then you can charge it. This is the display here. I'm going to take this out real quick. The display definitely looks really fancy. I think right now maybe it's not very clearly visible, but it shows the kilometer per hours. Then it has different kind of modes that you can take a look at. So definitely a very heavy upgrade compared to all of the previous models that they have made so far. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. I'm going to release the entire review very soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.